Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are gonna disassemble and reassemble Tanfoglio Stock 3 Extreme Edition. First we have to be sure if the gun is clear. Then we have to remove the slide stop. We take out a recoil spring and we take it off. Then it goes the barrel. And the firing pin. Here's the firing pin and firing pin spring. And the automatic safety. Then we have to take out the extractor. We punch the pin from the top side. The pin is out. The extractor and extractor spring. So that's basically all the parts you can remove from the slide. Then we assemble it. First we take extractor spring, we put it in, we take the extractor, and we take the extractor pin. We push it in. Then we have to put the extractor in the right position. So once the extractor is in the right position, we slightly move the pin punch back and we put the extractor pin in. The pin has to be all the way in the slide. Then we take automatic safety part, we press it in, we take the spring and we press the firing pin in. Then we take firing pin stop plate, we place it in, we push in, and we take require guide rod, put the spring on, we put the barrel in, and we push the spring in. So the slide is finished. To the frame, we can, for the start, we can unscrew the grip plate screw, and then we can start with the internal parts. First we take small pin punch and we pin out the safety lever. We take off the right safety lever. Then we have to push sear spring out on this notch. Now we can push out the safety lever. So, and then we can remove sear housing and the sear with spring. To remove the hammer, we have to first take out the safety pin for hammer pin. We just press it out a little bit and it falls out. To remove the hammer pin, we just have to press the hammer a little bit down and the hammer pin comes out. Now we can take out the hammer with this connector and hammer spring. To remove the trigger with trigger spring, we have to pin out the trigger pin. Now you have to be careful that you don't lose the trigger spring. Once the trigger pin is out, you have to be careful. If I put the pin punch out, the pin will fall out. So I will grab the spring and take out the pin punch. Here's the trigger spring. And then we can take out the trigger with trigger bar. To disassemble the magazine catch, we have to take out this part and you can take out the trigger catch. So that's probably all the parts you can remove from Tanfoglio. Okay. To assemble the frame, we will start with the magazine release catch. We push in. And we take this part in. Then to secure, we have to pin in the little pin. And in the same time, we have to push this side down. So then we check, and it works. Then we take trigger with trigger bar, put it in, and take trigger pin, we place it in, tap it with the hammer just a little bit, then we take trigger spring and place it in the right position. So, like this, we check if it works. Then we take the hammer spring, we take the hammer, and the hammer is in place. Then we take hammer safety pin so that the hammer pin can't fall out. And we place it in. Then we take our sear with sear housing and then we take the safety lever and the lever is secured. The right safety lever we take pin out then we pin in and so we check if it works. Then we have before that we have to place the sear spring in the right position. Then we check if it works. So once the internal parts are in, we just have to put back the grips. In the end, we can check if the automatic safety works. So that's how you disassemble and reassemble the Tanfoglio. Thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video.